Hi, I'm Fortune Emmanuel-King, and this is my lap 3, um, C203. This is my wild card. So yeah, that's me. Uh, Thank you. So here I have the setup um, for my finite state machine that detects what's the name 101 sequence. 1 represented by an on, 0 represented by an off. So I use the 3 diff flip flops such that the D flip flops are able to save each round of each sequence, right? So if I enter a 1, it enters the last D flip flop and it keeps moving, right? So once I have a 101, right, then the first light shines red. So the first light from my right, I don't know how you're seeing this, but the first light, this light, is the indicator that we have a sequence of 101. And then the other lights show what sequences are passed. And it reads from this way. Yeah, I can turn it this way so that you can see it. So yeah, the other lights show which ones have passed. Okay, and this is our clock switch over here. Yeah, this one, and this is our my switch that controls the current that we would determine our the numbers, the binary numbers that we're including. So first of all, I'll do a sequence of 1 1 0 1 1, which is the first test case we have, and we'll see if we have a red on the first one at the time we enter 1 0 1 1. So I'll clear this. To clear this, I would just take away because I have a clear on my D flip flop. That's connected to power. That's this. Sorry, you're not seeing what I'm saying. So that's my clear, and then I'll put it back. Oh dang. Yeah, I'll connect it to this. It'll clear. Put it back. Yeah, so it's clear. So you see it's 0 0. Yeah. So let's do the 101 sequence. It'll be a bit difficult. So the way the clock works, right? It goes. I touch it once and it goes 1 clock cycle, right? So and after each clock cycle, then the reading is available to change. So I'll turn this off first of all. I'll turn this off. Right? So this is my clock. So that's 1 clock cycle. Yeah, you see it's on, and that's why we have a 1 there, right? Then I'll do another clock cycle. So it's on, right? And then I'll turn it off and do another clock cycle. So you see it becomes 1 1 0 1. Then I'll turn it on and do another clock cycle, right? And you see that the moment we had 101, that 101 sequence, the first one turned on, right? And so yeah, it's signaling, oh, there's a 101 sequence. I used AND gates to do the 101 over here. My report would explain that clearly. And then I can do the last one by just, I'll leave it as a 1 and then clock. Yeah, and then it turns off, right? Because it's Yeah, it's no longer a 101 sequence. What we have there is now a 011 sequence, right? So it turns off again, the first one. So the next sequence we're doing is 010101. And I'll clear again. Clear. I wish I could do this with a switch, but yeah. It's still nice to know that I can't do it at all.